team.
Beautiful day with sunshine, light winds, made it about 8 to 10 degrees above average for this time of year. Still not bad at 52 in Knoxville, 46 in Crossville, and 46 in Morristown. It does cool quickly tonight. We're close to freezing in the valley. Slightly less cold, we'll say, some of the higher elevations because the winds will already start to develop there by early tomorrow morning. Let's talk about that. Wind advisory for the light blue shaded areas. That means sustained 20 to 35, an occasional gust 55. Doesn't mean it's going to be 55 miles per hour all day. I want to stress that. Higher elevations of the Smokies, a high wind warning, sustained 30 to 50, meaning continuous winds at that speed and gusts at times up to 80. Regardless, it's going to be a very windy day. This is 7 o'clock in the morning, and what I talked about is it's going to take a while before the winds start to kick up here in the lower elevations, including in and around Knoxville. Not the case for the plateau, and certainly not the case in the mountains. Anytime you see this red showing up, that's winds over 50 miles per hour, the gust. This is 7 o'clock. We'll take it through the morning, and I'll stop it right about midday. You see this gray shading, almost white. We're getting into that extreme range. Those are winds gusting to near 80, and that's going to be the case right into the afternoon as well. This is 2 p.m. We're still seeing those 60, 70, even 80 mile per hour gusts at times. Finally starts to relax late afternoon. That's 4 o'clock. Right through about this time tomorrow at 7. When I say relax, we're still talking gusts in that 30 to 35 range, even at that point. There's also a low wind threat. Some of the storms could be severe with damaging wind gusts as a line of storms will move through the area. Further south, a little bit higher risk for some isolated tornadic storms across Mississippi and Alabama. So let's talk about the timing of that. 7 a.m. We're dry, but the winds again are starting to pick up on the plateau and into the mountains. As this front approaches, rain starts to develop. This is lunchtime. Still maybe 10 to 15 mile per hour winds in Knoxville by that time. It's with the cold front moving through that our winds really pick up. This is 3 o'clock in the afternoon. Even behind the front, winds stay gusty, 6 o'clock, and then slowly they'll start to relax by tomorrow evening. I say slowly, we're still going to see 15 to 25 mile per hour wind gusts even overnight and through the day on Saturday. And then focusing on next week, we're still looking at that Arctic air coming in. This is Monday. Temperatures are still going to be in the mid to upper 30s here for highs, but that Arctic air continues to push in through the day Tuesday, and by Wednesday morning, that's probably going to be the coldest start that we're going to see with temperatures down. Yep, if you look at the legend, single digits and teens starting out first thing on our Wednesday morning. Also, I do think there's an opportunity for some scattered snow showers around. There's not a lot of moisture with this system, which there usually isn't as Arctic air comes in, but you don't need a lot to produce snow. Instead of the heavy wet snow, it's that very light, fluffy type snow, so you can see it pile up a little quicker. What does that mean? Well, we'll start to see some of that arrive during the day Monday. At this time, I think the best opportunity for snow is Monday night into Tuesday. I'd say a pretty decent opportunity of some 1 to 2 inch totals, especially Knoxville northward through Monday night and Tuesday.